getting to know everyone and forming new bonds and like getting to grow outside of high school. I really like that. I feel like I've grown more being here.
I think my favorite part is the directors and getting to see people that I haven't seen in like a year or so.
Seeing everybody.
Being with these people. I was about to say the
Jam
people
sessions.
for sure. Jam sessions.
My favorite part is probably the opening.
Listening to Nathan sing Now I've Seen You.
Like, it's so good.
Those vocals.
But my overall favorite part is just doing the show all together.
Getting to do it and the opportunities.
And it's a really
doing
good
so many
show.
shows and
It's a really good show for everybody.
Hi, I'm Lily and I'm playing...
Nothing was funny.
Hi, I'm Lily and I'm playing Fluff, one of the 4 ducklings in Honk.
Hi, I'm Walker and I play Beaky, one of the other ducks.
Hi, my name is Luis and I play Billy.
I play Drake in Honk.
And right now we are working on lines, doing different like individual things. I'm getting these 2 to dance in our tap clogging number. And yeah, it's going well.
I'm playing Ida in Honk, and I just got back from staging my news interview.
The Broadway Intensive is a really intense and long process in the sense of you have to take time off work. Taking 2 to 3 weeks off can be really difficult and financially challenging. But it is largely offset by the fact that all of our costs are entirely paid for.
I'm Father Swan in Ensemble. I'm working on music. I just really love being part of this cast and, growing every summer.
Oh, we are eating the best food. These wonderful women in here make this food for us every single day. This is taco soup. It's all so healthy, it's all so good. Love it, love it.
Miss Lisa and Miss Susan do a wonderful job of planning everything that we're gonna eat and making sure that we have it in a timely manner so that we can be fueling our bodies to be able to put on the best performance that we can. Opus gives us a large sum of money to make sure that we all can attend free of charge. We have a lot of other big donors like 100 Women Who Care and the Plaza, of course.
My name's Kelly Engel and I am helping with the rehearsal part of staging with music. This is Go Button that we use, and so we are using it for rehearsal time, but then we're also editing some things because we might need a measure taken out or we might need a sound effect layered on top of a song that we're singing.
We've been working for hours on this. A really sweet sewing club at Del Webb created the 9 blocks for us. Most of the fabric is from my mom, who has passed away, and some from Sarah, who's in the Arts Barn. Her mom's fabric is in here, and then a few patches from the ladies from the So Much Fun Club at Del Webb. And now we're creating borders to go on the quilt top to be the backdrop curtain.
My name's Riley and I'm the stage manager. The hardest part is the note-taking process and all the videos we take during rehearsal, but my favorite part is being able to work with all the props and do different repairs on the set. But my favorite thing actually in my job in the show is to do all the geese bags and make sure they get their backpacks for their takeoff.
I am cleaning up the edges of these fabrics that are going to be our snow, so that way we're not snagging them on our set. I'm playing Dot, the goose. I like her military personality. She's more of a military wife that she kind of puts up with her husband, Greylag. And I like playing beside Trey as Greylag.
It's nice having like the older, and older, but like young adults,
the
not
people
like
that just turned like 23.
Yeah, and like actually excited about this, not like in high school, like I don't want to be.
And it makes you look up to somebody too.
I feel called out.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the last show?
Super excited.
I feel great.
Sad. Yeah, hopeful. Yeah, like, we're gonna do this again next year. It's gonna be fun.
It's bittersweet.
Yeah, I'm already like tearful.
I enjoy being with this new group and with different people from different ages and different schools. It really opened my friendship circle.
The first year we did the Broadway Intensive back in 2021 was such a unique experience to me. The whole process of getting a show down in 2 weeks was super impressive, that we were actually able to put something on that was of high quality in that short span of time. We didn't have quite the numbers of actors and audience members back then, but our last 2 shows of Honk, the theater was absolutely packed, and to be able to see that growth from the first intensive a few years ago is really a testament to how great this program is and just how much people in the community really want to see local arts flourish.